If you're obsessed with checking your daily steps on your iPhone, I have a better way for you. Go to your Shortcuts app and add a new shortcut and then search for health and click find health samples, and then we're gonna change the days from 7 days to 0 and change the group by to day, and then we're just gonna test it by running the shortcut, and that tells us how many steps we walked today. And then I'll go and search text, and in the text I want to type your daily step count is, and I want to use magic variable health samples right here, and then I'll run it. And once it tells me what I want to know, I'll use the speak text, and I'm going to use the magic variable text.
Your daily step count is 3,146.
And then I'm going to rename the speak text to what's my daily step count, and then I'll go back to my home screen and ask Siri that.
Your daily step count is 3,146.